Okay, today's service call brings me to an AC system that blows the breaker. On start, it doesn't raise amps or anything like that. .7 and we have a loose wire. This is something to look for. I'm about to shut it down. I haven't gone inside yet. We have a bad power connection on this unit, as you can see with the melted plug. That melted plug means that something isn't making a good connection, even though it's not that hot at times, and it melted and distorted it. Let's put this back in. You can even see inside it's melting where this is attached to from the house. So the white wire from the house is the one that's getting too hot. I haven't looked inside yet, but I figured this would be a good video. There goes the condenser. Compressor's coming right back on. Let's just see what happens. Compressor hasn't started yet. There goes the compressor. As you can see, I mean, you don't get lock rotor here, so. We're ramping up. We're now at 776%. I'm not too worried about that. As you can see, only 5 amps. I gotta go inside, see what's going on with this breaker. Okay, I'm gonna have to shut the power off because I gotta pull the breaker out.
Okay. I'm headed now, so just call me if you need.
Alright. I really don't have to turn the power off, but I prefer to. Let's play it safe. So they gave me the okay. Canada, interesting. Stocks rise after strong earnings and economic data this week. Always good to know. Okay, well, let's see. Inside here, see what kind of temperature we get. We're going to do the scan. Everything here. This side of the panel, 72. A little warmer on this side, not much. Boom, we're jumping. We get more heat, more heat. Okay, so the AC, you can see it's getting warmer. But remember, I just started it. Okay. Let's open the panel door. missing one there, so take the top out. Try to learn how to ignore text. I shouldn't be reading text right now while I'm opening a panel. Like now. Don't do it. Be safe. Be safe out there. But you're gonna do whatever you're gonna do anyway, but just be careful on this part. Boom. Okay. We're opened. So let's see what the imager, the IR. So, it's not too warm right now. I'm sure if it was on a lot longer, this would be a lot hotter. But let's see. This here is my hot one then. My wife keeps texting me. Okay, well, here we go. Okay. And from here, where that connection is, it's only 84. Suddenly now it drops. And the boiler one rises up, but let's be safe. We now shut the electric down. Can't do it no. That was supposed to be this. This now, or I fry like bacon. Boom. Okay. Hopefully she gets the point to stop texting me because it's distracting me every single time the text comes through. Let's see. Here's our AC. And that wire is warm. How is the connection? Ooh, it fell out. Oh. And it's all discolored. So I'm going to say that wasn't the best connection. If it falls right out. Make sure the other side's tight. Yeah. And you could see this is all discolored, which means it's been overheating. Okay, that should be tight. I'm also going to have to do is check to see, because if this isn't making a good contact, a good connection, it also, with the bus bar, could cause problems. Let's snap this one out of the way real quick. This is loose inside, which it doesn't feel like it. That could also cause problems. Not a lot, just, I just broke it. No, kidding. Okay. It should be a little tighter than it was. So I want to make sure this makes a good connection before I condemn the breaker. Okay. Now I'm tempted to move it up one, even though I shouldn't, but I've been told to cut down on the lock rotor a little bit. The higher up in this bus bar you are at the breaker, the better. That's not even in good. So I came down to its level. I want to make sure. Okay, that's in good. Now for this one, let's put it back. Let's make sure this goes tight. This one was warm also, but this shouldn't really cause a problem because the boiler's off. Okay, get that bottom in and clip, boom. On. Okay, everything here. Okay, the main seems tight. Turn power on. All right. Ooh, my flashlight's about to die. I mean, it was on for, I think, like 3 hours last night as I fixed the sink at my house. It's a great flashlight. If you need one, Harbor Freight has this thing. I think it was like 20 bucks. It's usually like 30 bucks, but rechargeable. It's like, I forget, 300 and something lumas or whatever. It's got 1, 2, and then it's got the tip for inspection. If you watch all my videos, you see me using this all the time. Look at that. I wonder, are they getting moisture from rain? No. I mean, they're getting a little cruddiness up there. Tight, okay. Just wanted to make sure that didn't start moving around because that can give me a headache also. No, now I'm gonna have to go back to the unit because I'm sure I'm off. I don't think I came back on. Without an amp probe, it's impossible to tell down here. Well, we'll continue outside. This was connected to the same wire inside. I don't want to break it. I also want to try to straighten it out. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it for now. Somebody's going to be here later to change it. But where this melted was, that's why I fell off the breaker inside. Right there is exactly where it melted, so. Power it up. Okay. We're gonna have to change that disconnect later on. I don't have one on my truck or I would be doing it. All this was from a loose wire, causing this to blow its breaker once in a while. So if you have a system popping its breaker once in a while, or anything melting or looking weird, look for loose wires. Alright, So I closed everything up and I touched it and I didn't feel any heat, so let's scan. And this is where we would have jumped up a lot. We were going up, not like we were. Okay, let's pinpoint. That was over 100 before. It's running, so. All right. Well, this thing was, I forget, like 18 bucks, 19 bucks in Harbor Freight on sale. Before, this was 100, now we're 75. The boiler was 100 and something because the heat was rising up through the bus bar. I'm satisfied with this repair. Till next time, I'm out.